In today's world, reliable power backup is essential for a comfortable living. When the lights go out, the choice between an inverter and a generator often stirs debate. Many homeowners find themselves pondering this critical decision as they seek a dependable backup power solution. This exploration will illuminate the differences, showcasing the distinctive benefits of each option, guiding you to make an informed choice that aligns with your needs and lifestyle. An inverter is designed to transform stored DC electricity, often from batteries, into usable AC electricity for household appliances. This efficient process means that inverters can operate quietly, turning on seamlessly when the power goes out. Their compact size and relatively low maintenance enhance their appeal, making them perfect for urban homes and smaller spaces. The clean energy output is another plus. There is no harmful exhaust, which allows for indoor usage without safety concerns. The scientific elegance of how inverters work makes them a staple in modern power management systems, promoting sustainability and energy efficiency. On the other hand, generators are robust machines powered typically by gasoline or diesel. They produce electricity by converting fuel into mechanical energy, which creates a loud hum as the engine operates. While generators have the edge in raw power and can support multiple large appliances, their noise and emissions are significant drawbacks. Generators are best suited for outdoor use, especially in emergencies or construction sites. They require more maintenance due to their mechanical nature and higher fuel costs. Understanding these dynamics is crucial, as they highlight how each power source caters to different needs and circumstances. When weighing options, consider various real-life scenarios. For short power outages, an inverter might be your best ally. It's perfect for those who prioritize quiet operation and indoor safety. Conversely, if you live in an area prone to prolonged outages or need to power heavy-duty appliances, a generator provides the needed power punch. This duality is vital, as it showcases that the best solution depends on individual needs, whether you seek peace of mind during a blackout or the ability to handle heavy loads without interruption. Ultimately, the decision boils down to your lifestyle and specific requirements. Are you a tech aficionado with sensitive electronics? Or do you manage a homestead that requires heavy machinery? By balancing these considerations, you can navigate the inverter versus generator landscape confidently, ensuring you choose the best backup power solution that meets your unique needs.